we're at the hair place.
Can't do that.
Goodbye.
Let's see before. You can.
How's your hair? How do you feel?
It feels dry because I.
Oh, never mind. We're in the process.